-8 today. Well, Jan Arden is the newest member of the Canadian Music Hall of Fame. The Canadian Academy of Recording Arts and Sciences made the announcement Tuesday. She's born in Calgary. She grew up in Springbank, Alberta. She released her first album in 1993, but it was her second album, Living Under June, that brought her worldwide attention. Since then, she has released 13 more albums and appeared many times as a host on CBC Radio. As part of her induction, Jan Arden will perform at this.
Hi, good morning. Can you order, please?
Good morning. An extra large double, please.
Okay, so that's
Thank you. Morning.
The guy in front of you, he already came to you.
How is that? Okay. Who's he?
There you go.
Okay, thank you. Wow.